Hello everyone, in this video I am going to do a brief walkthrough of the FortiPresence Lite cloud-based data analytics solution. When you log in, you are presented with this dashboard which shows comprehensive user information based on location. You can view the analytics across all locations or drill down to a particular location. It shows the total visitors at this location, the device type, and it also allows login by social media or captive portal. It also displays data by gender and age group. The floor analytics provides a heat map of the user's presence. Click on the heat map to see the heat map. Click the footfall to show the traffic pattern. You can also click the player to see a time-lapse video of the footfall traffic at any given location. Here you can enter the MAC address and track and locate a visitor, or you can click the visitors tab and select a particular visitor you want to locate, and apply would bring you that user on this screen. So here is the user. You can also select some filters to filter out users you want to locate by Wi-Fi or BLE or any of these parameters. Click the area analytics to get a detailed view about the users in a particular area. You can use to compare the foot traffic across different areas in a floor. The presence dashboard shows the traffic based on the area. The presence dashboard provides information on the visitors, the peak hours at a location, the number of times visitors visited a certain area. A good example would be tracking repeat customers at a store. The graph can be used to understand the trends such as passerby or visitors, the dwell time or the engagement, and visitor loyalty like new or repeat customers. Under the reports tab, you can create various reports such as visitor, site, device, or a network, and then click download to download any of these reports. The admin tab is more of a site management, uploading a map, setting up your portal, and also settings to configure and manage your controller and access points and your radius server. And finally, the help section here provides you a quick and easy video to configure different services on FortiPresence. It describes how to create location floor analytics, how to create reports, starting from how to create a site, your radius client, and it also describes how to configure, set up your Facebook or social media Wi-Fi. This concludes the demo of FortiPresence Lite. Email us if you have any questions. Thank you.